Sinus headaches. How do you get rid of sinus headaches? Can you get rid of sinus headaches? What do you need to do in order to get rid of your sinus headaches? That's what this video is going to be about. First, I'm going to go over the common treatments. When you go to a medical doctor, what are they going to prescribe, or what are they going to recommend as a prescription or over the counter, or supplements? What supplements can you take at home that can help you alleviate some of the sinus headaches? Does it alleviate it or does it eliminate it? Can it take away your sinus headaches completely? I'm going to go over that. I'm going to go over to the most common treatments that you will hear from a practitioner, whether you go to a physician, whether you go to an acupuncturist, Chinese medicine practitioner, chiropractor. What will they tell you? I'm going to go over the main treatments in this training. And here's the thing, many patients have come to my clinic over the past 20 plus years, and I've helped them eliminate their sinus headaches. Obviously, I do my quick restorative acupuncture, but what if you can't come to my clinic? What can you do? What are some of the things that I do in my clinic, that my team does in my clinic right now, that you can actually do at home? That's the secret, and that I'm going to reveal those secrets in this training. So this is part of a guidebook that I created for my sinus headache guidebook. It is Breathe Freely Guidebook. If you don't have access to this, then you need to quickly comment below sinus, and my team will send you a link to get free access to this guidebook. So let's jump in. This is the guidebook, my Breathe Freely Sinus Headache Guidebook. So in a previous video, I've explained the causes. Now I'm going to, this is a video training about the treatments, right? So if you go to a physician, you're going to get pills, nasal sprays, steroids, antibiotics, decongestants, antihistamines, right? You're going to get all of these. But what is the effects of these, right? Because as a patient or someone, if you have sinus headaches, your main concern is about getting rid of them, right? I would think so. And not just getting rid of them, but keeping them gone. So the question that you may be wondering, that maybe you haven't asked your physicians, is, will any of these treatments you're prescribing me, Mr. Doctor or Mrs. Doctor, will any of them eliminate my sinus headaches 100%, eliminate them where I don't have to take your treatments for the rest of my life? The answer is no. These are all temporary. There is no spray, there is no medication that can eliminate your sinus headaches 100% and keep them gone. They are all just band-aids. You can see 24-hour relief, 24-hour relief, okay? And here's the thing with these treatments, they're dangerous. There's side effects. Steroids. There's a lot of side effects of steroids. Steroids drop your immune system, which makes you susceptible, which means you will easily get virus attacks, bacteria attacks. So there are many side effects to these treatments that only give you temporary relief. Next, now you may think, oh, there's a lot of over-the-counter treatments, right? Your family doctors may say, hey, there's some over-the-counter. Why don't you try over-the-counter, which are called OTC. Okay, there are also sprays, pills, right? Some of them are natural, like the saline rinse. These are good. But guess what? It's still temporary. It's a temporary solution. It does not prevent your sinus headaches from ever coming back. Decongestants, these are pills, steroids, over-the-counter steroids, pain relievers, antihistamines, humidifiers, moisture. These are great. These are natural, right? The humidifier, these are good habits to have, especially depending on where you live in your environment. If you live in an area where it's very dry, and here in the US, it's Arizona, right? You can see the desert, or even West Texas is very dry. You want to have a humidifier to moisturize the air, right? Because the sinuses hate dryness. However, these alleviate your symptoms. They may help your sinus headaches, but they won't eliminate them. And that is the thing about Western medicine medications and even the over-the-counter treatments. Doesn't matter if they're natural or not. So I went over some of the causes. Again, one of the causes of sinus headaches, according to me, Jimmy the Acu Sensei, this is not from a Chinese medicine book. They don't teach us this in Chinese medicine. I had to formulate this after treating thousands of patients. Thousands of patients helped me develop, okay, hey, I can split diseases into two main categories, hyperactive and hypoactive. But again, you can watch my other video to explain that in more detail. This video is about solutions. So one of the solutions that you can do is acupressure. This is TCM acupressure. They are set points. My QRA acupressure, which I haven't added yet, right? That's probably going to be in a separate guidebook, but those are not based off of points, and those were my invention. In this guidebook, I list what is taught in acupuncture school. They're still decently effective, not as effective, but they're decent, right? And they're good for you to do on a daily basis for a maintenance. Do they cure your sinus headaches and eliminate your sinus headaches? No, they don't. Because the root cause cannot be fixed just with one thing. Even with my QRA acupuncture, it can't fix. If you come to my clinic and we do QRA acupuncture, I can't fix it. Can I alleviate it and eliminate it for long periods of time? Absolutely. But that's not what my main focus is on. My main focus is on making sure you get relief from your sinus headaches, but more importantly, that your sinus headaches never come back. That's what my team in my clinic, that's what they currently do. Now, if you can't come to our clinic, these are the things that you can do at home. They're still very powerful. So these are the 3 acupressure points. Below in the lower part of this guidebook, there is a clickable link that shows me demonstrating these acupressure points, how to locate them and what to do, right? So these are the 3 common ones you can definitely execute. These are for hyperactive sinus headaches, right? So herbs. Herbs are the only ones in all these treatments for sinus headaches that have the potential to actually restore your body's ability to get rid of these sinus headaches by itself and keep it from coming back. These are the 3 most commonly used herbs in my clinic for sinus headaches. One is called Cuanshong ligusticum, Cuanshong, right? The other one is Baizhi angelica, Harica, and mentha leaf, Bohe, right? So these 3 herbs are in all of the formulas that we prescribe, we customize for our patients in our clinic. Here's another thing about Chinese herbs, the way we do it, okay? Again, this is very different from all other acupuncturists. We never prescribe one TCM herb by itself. We always prescribe 40 to 50 TCM herbs together. Some maybe at the minimum 20. So 20 to 40, 20 to 50 TCM herbs in one formula. That's what we do. That's one of my secrets to the success of our clinic. Now, you can use this mentha, like peppermint tea or mint tea. You can drink that as a tea, but again, that will help you alleviate the symptoms, but they won't fix your root cause, okay? Not by itself. You need a combination of different herbs. And in the guidebook, you'll see one of the formulas that we use in our clinic. So I have decided to manufacture my secret formulas that we use in our clinic that produce phenomenal results. Now, this is not just me saying we produce phenomenal results. You can look at our Google reviews. We are the #1 rated acupuncture TCM wellness clinic in North America. We have the most 5-star Google reviews. That is from patients saying the results that they get in our clinic. That's not me saying it. It's not my team saying it, okay? You can go over more of the formulas that we use. So these are not generic formulas. You will not find these formulas anywhere online except in my clinic or in my company, Restorative Longevity. I am having them manufactured. They are my secret formulas. Now, the hypoactive causes of sinus headaches, right? Again, I've got 3 acupressure points that you can do at home on a daily basis. Even if you don't have the sinus headaches, you can do these because these points benefit other things in your body. That's the beauty of acupressure. Even though, let's say you're doing these points for sinus headaches, but they can benefit other parts of your body, other organs in your body. That is the beauty of traditional Chinese medicine. I like to say it frees multiple birds with one key. If you like that analogy. I used to use the analogy, 2 birds with 1 stone, but I heard someone said this and I thought, oh, that's even a better analogy. You can free multiple birds with 1 key. Okay, so the herbs, again, TC herbs have the potential to help your body prevent you from ever getting these sinus headaches again. Now, of course, if you don't do the other part, which is the diet, the lifestyle techniques that is also listed in this guidebook, if you don't do those, guess what? Your sinus headaches are still going to come back. So that's why I said it's not just one thing. That is the misconception that you can do one treatment. Oh, just do acupuncture and all of your problems will go away. No, it won't. I'm going to tell you, after treating thousands of patients, it is a tool in your tool belt. You need multiple tools in your tool belt, and you need to use these tools every day in order for you to maintain your health, in order to get your body to eliminate it. Because here's the thing, these herbs don't eliminate your sinus headaches. Medications, acupuncture, chiropractic, massage, hypnotherapy, none of it eliminates your sinus headaches. You know what eliminates your sinus headaches? In fact, do you know what eliminates all of your health problems? Your body. That's it. It's not all these tools that you're using, okay, that everybody's selling, right? It's your body. So if you want your body to eliminate these health issues, you need to provide your body with the right resources. These are the resources that I'm sharing with you that I have done with real patients, real results. So 3 of the top herbs that we use is Huangqi, which is astragalus. This is a pretty famous TCM herb, right? It helps the immune system. These are strengthening because this is hypoactive sinus. That means it's weak organs, underperforming organs. If we have underperforming organs, we need to boost them. We need to get them to perform better, right? Versus the opposite, which I was talking about a while ago, these are hyperactive. That means they're inflamed. They're not resting. We need to calm it down. We need to decrease the inflammation. But coming back to this hypoactive, next one is 五味子, which is Shishandra. This is another one. It can help boost. And then Baizhu, Stractylotus rhizome, right? These are all immune tonifying, immune strengthening herbs, immune balancing, okay? It's less about strengthening. It's more about balancing. If it's hypo, it means underactive, we want to raise it. If it's hyper, we want to drop it. That's the key to my clinic success and why we are able to achieve so much success. Like I said, it's not just acupuncture, acupressure, herbs. You also need to incorporate the right foods. Again, you need to provide your body with the right resources. You need to provide your organs with the right resources. And I'm listing some of the resources. Are these all of them? No, they're not. There's just some of them. So here's some food resources. Here's ones you need to remove things that are preventing your body from healing. These are the foods that you're eating that are preventing your body from getting rid of your sinus headaches. Remember, only your body can eliminate these sinus headaches. Nothing else can. And here's some recipes, okay? Let me go to more specific herbs, right? Because that's probably why you're tuning in. You're like, hey, Jimmy, just share with me your secret formulas that you have already proven over the past 20 plus years works. Let me get to it. So you'll be able to find all of my proprietary secret formulas that I'm currently having an herb manufacturer produce for me. This on my new website, my new company, Restorative Longevity. If you're not interested in this, you can log off. I know most people are very interested in knowing what actually works. What are the exact herbs? What are the combinations? So one thing about herbs is to make a formula, number one is the ingredient. Which specific herb do you add into the formula, right? After that, then it's how much of each herb do you add in the formula. That also changes the recipe significantly. Over 20 plus years, I figured out the secrets. I figured out how to get great results very quickly. This one I'm going to share with you. When you go to all supplements, you're going to go to Fire Escape, right? Fire Escape is the one that decreases inflammation. This formula itself can help you decrease your sinus headaches. Can it help you eliminate it 100%, that it doesn't come back? No. That's why I use a combination, right? But Firescape is more for the inflammation. It can help decrease inflammation, help shrink the sinuses that are swollen and causing pain. It's a pain analgesic and help decrease the pain, eliminate the pain, right? But if you use that in combination with No Drama Seasons High, okay, this is hyperactive. These two combinations can help you provide your body the resources so that your body can prevent itself from getting these sinus headaches in the future, right? All the ingredients are here. This is about to be released in the next few days. I have more formulas that I'm having manufactured for me. So these are my proprietary formulas that I've already tested on thousands of patients. It absolutely works if you have the right diagnosis. If you don't have the right diagnosis, this will only be a Band-Aid. But if you have the right diagnosis, the combination of no drama seasons high and fire escape right here, these two combo, it has helped patients in my clinic who have had hyperactive sinus headaches eliminate their sinus headaches and help their body prevent it from coming back. In addition to the other tools, remember the other tools that I talked about, right? The other tools are the diet. Here's some exercises that you can do to help with your sinus headaches, lifestyle changes. You need to do all of it in order to provide your body with the right resources to get rid of your sinus headaches. Again, if you don't have access to this guidebook, comment sinus below and my team will send you the link to get free access to this guidebook. And here's a bonus. I continuously update these guidebooks. When we update the guidebook, we will send you a link to get access to the new updates for free.